Okay, la sizokwenza i-revision e-Euclidean geometry, lines and angles, geometry of straight lines from grade 8 to grade 10. Yes, grade 8 to grade 10. Sizoba no 1, 2. Angle B1 plus angle B2 elingana no 180. Sithi-ke these are the adjacent supplemental angles. Adjacent supplemental angles, or kwesinye isikhathi sithi angles of a straight line add up to 180. Siphinde sibe nama-angles around the point. Around the point nasinento nje B, C. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 360. Masiwahlanganisa lama-angles sithi reason ama-angles around the point. Then bese siba ama-vertical opposite angles. Vertical opposite angles, angles akanje. Lakhona le angle ngapha, le angle ngapha izolingana nale angle le angle ilingana nale angle. So lama-angle sithi kanjani? Ayalingana. Isizathu sakhona sithi ama-vertical opposite angles. Bese siba nama-corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Isiwabuke-ke nama-corresponding angles ukuthi akanjani wona. So okufanele sikwazi ukuthi asikwazi ukuba nama-corresponding angles engekho ama-parallel lines. So kufanele ukuthi uline AB ube parallel to line CD, bese kuyima-sigcinga ama-angles esithi kanjani? Aya-corresponda. Shuthi nje le angle la X mayela shuthi nalapha naleya angle ilingana no-X ngoba iya-correspond. Shuthi leya angle mayilingana no-X naleya ilingana no-X. Ukhumbule futhi lawa at the same time le nale ama-vertical opposite angles, le nale ama-vertical opposite angles, le naleya bayalingana, baya-correspond. Ama-corresponding angles siwabona ngobani? Ngo-F shape. La angles alapha emakhwapheni ayalingana. Mo-check-a ngapha u-F shape wangapha ubheke phezulu, khona X la, khona X la, now. So lezo zinto lezo kufanele zicasheke, but fanele kuwabheke lama-angle only if you are told that the lines are parallel to each other. then bese siba namanye futhi esiwabiza ngokuthi alternator, alternating angles, alternate angles. So if we are told ukuthi AB is parallel to CD, then sesingakusho lokho okulandelayo. This is AB, AB, and CD. So AB and CD, they are parallel to each other. Uma be-parallel, sesiyakwazi ukubheka ama-angles esithi kanjani aya-alternate. Should le angle la kufanele ilingane naleya angle laphaya. Le angle la sithi y kufanele ilingane naleya angle laphaya. Siwabona ngani ama-angles a-alternate-ayo? Siwabona ngo-Z shape. Le angle lapha kufanele kulingane nale lapha. Let's check. Yayibona nje le ilingana naleya. Ngoba kuno-Z shape, ake simbheke lo Z shape esikhuluma ngayo. Nanyi yo-Z. Nanyi. U-Z okanjeyana loyo. Lapha kuyalingana. Omunye u-Z okhona yilo. Sebenzisa omunye umbala. Leya angle ilingana naleya. So ngaso sonke isikhathi masino-Z shape sizothola ama-angle esithi kanjani aya-alternate. Siphinde sibe nama-angle esithi ama-co-interior angles. Co-interior angles. Ama-co-interior angles nakhona fanele sitshene ukuthi AB is parallel to CD. Then okunye nokunye sesingakusho ekulandela lapha. Masitsheniwe nje ukuthi lama-lines ethu are-parallel. So this is A, B, C, D. Lo parallel to lo, yeah. Nalona njalo bheku-parallel. Then last no X, last no Y. So i-relationship between X no Y izothini? Izothi X umhlanganisa no Y fanele akunikeze ubani? 108. Isizathu yini? Ama-co-interior angles are supplementary, meaning they add up to 180 degrees. So abona ngani ama-co-interior angles? So abona ngo-C shape. So abona ngo-C shape. Le angle lapha uyihlanganisa nale fanele bakunikeze ubani? 180. Ama-angle asemakhonini sithi ama-co-interior angles, they are supplementary, they add up to 180. Then bese siba nama-triangles manje. Siba nama-triangles. We have a scaling triangle. A scaling triangle. Scaling triangle sisibona ngani? Sisibona ngama-side. Alikho iside elilingana nelinye ku-scaling triangle. No sides are equal in length. No sides are equal in length for a scaling triangle. Bese siba ne-isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle esikwaziyo ngayo ukuthi two sides are equal, base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. Hamba-ke sibuke i-isosceles triangle ibukeka kanjani. Ngiqaleleka khona ngikuyidweba kahle hle, kodwa khona ngiyi-one. Ya, so lo ulingana nalo loya ulingana naloya. So two sides are equal and the base angles are equal. But asisho ukuthi base angles. Sesithi angles opposing equal sides are equal. Sithi lama angle abuka ama-side alinganayo. Nawo lama angle alingana. Le angle ibuka lele side, nale angle ibuka lela side. And omabili lama-side abuka lama angle alingana. Shuthi nalama angle nawo njani? Ayalingana. Leyo reason leyo esiyishoyo ngabe sikhuluma ngale ndaba. Then bese siba nenye futhi i-triangle esithi equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle tesiyaziyo ngayo, all sides are equal, all sides are equal. Okunye futhi esikwaziyo nge-equilateral triangle, all three interior angles are equal. Yes, ngixolele bafowethu. I-triangle kodwa yona le enama-side wonke ayalingana. Lo lingana nalo alingana nalo. La we have 60, we have 60, we have 60. Wonke ama-side we-equilateral triangle ayalingana. Wonke ama-angles futhi nakhona ayalingana. Lapho sikhuluma ngohlobo lwani le-triangle, i-equilateral triangle. Bese siba nenye futhi i-triangle esiyibiza ngokuthi i-right angled triangle. I-right angled triangle ithina ama-property wakhona. One interior angle is 90 degrees. One interior angle is equal to 90 degrees. Hamba-ke siyidwebe siyibone le triangle esikhuluma ngayo. This is A, B, C. I-angle eyodwa nje lapha ilingana no-90 degrees. So this is a right angled triangle. Okay. Bese siba ne-triangle. bese sikhuluma ngama-sum of the angles of a triangle. Sum angles of a triangle. Mhlambe nje sum of the angles of a triangle. Some angles of a triangle. Some angles of a triangle. Plus no A, B, C. Uma ngabe yini ubudlelwano phakathi kwalama angles zomathathu? Masiwahlanganisa sithi A plus B plus C fanele sinikeze 108. Isizathu sothi some angles of a triangle, or sithi sum of the interior angles, or sithi supplementary angles, they add up to 108. Wonke ama-angles aphakathi kwe-triangle uma siwahlanganisa asinikeza 108. Fanele sikwazi-ke lokho. Bese siba nalento esiyibiza ngokuthi i-exterior. I-exterior ibaluleke kakhulu ku-exterior. Ayikho engabalulekile. Kodwa le bayayithanda. Even nga-grade 12 bayayithanda. Nami futhi ngiyayithanda. Siyibone-ke le ndaba le. Ikanje le ndaba. Lapha phakathi sino-A, sino-B, bese siba no-C. Ibophi ubudlelwano u-C anabo phakathi ka-A no-B? Sizothi u-C ulingana no-A umhlanganisa no-B. Isizathu yizo zona lezi. Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles. Exterior angle, this is the exterior angle, is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles of a triangle. So angle C ulingana no-A umhlanganise no-B abangaphakathi kwe-triangle. Ibaluleke kakhulu leyo ndaba leyo. Bese siba nenye futhi indaba esingayikhuluma nge-right angle triangle. Khona indaba esingayikhuluma ngale triangle le. Sithi A, B, C. Yini? The theorem of Pythagoras. The theorem of Pythagoras. La khona sithi the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the square is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. I-hypotenuse side ileya. Ileleya side ileya. This is the hypotenuse side. Leli side libukana no-90 degrees. Isquare saleli side leli lingana no-AB squared plus BC squared. So that is the theorem of Pythagoras. Bese siba nento esiyibiza ngokuthi congruence. Congruency of triangles. nakhona sibe nama-conditions. Sino-condition 1, condition 1, congruency, nansi isayini yakhona esiyisebenzisayo. Ngesibuka ukuthi ama-triangle amabili sithi a-congruent uma kwenze njani. Uma leli side lilingana naleli side, leli lilingana naleli side, then leli side leli ngapha lilingana naleliya side. So to womabili la ma-triangle are congruent to each other. So ngoba ama-side wo-3 kule triangle ngapha ayalingana nalama-side angapha enye triangle. Singasho ukuthi two triangles are congruent if three sides of one triangle are equal in length to the three sides of the other triangle. That is condition number 1. Condition number 2. Sayikuyindaba yama-triangle are-congruent. Kubalulekile ukuthi siprove ukuthi ama-triangle are-congruent. Sikwazi ukuprove ngoba siyakusebenzisa kakhulu. Siyakusebenzisa kakhulu ngixoleleke. Ama-triangle abuye angadwebeki kahle. Le mishini yabelungu asiyijwayele. Then la kuzoba ne-angle elinganayo, nangapha kube ne-angle elinganayo. Ngapha kube neside elilinganayo, nangapha kube neside elilinganayo. Ngapha kube neside elilinganayo, nangapha kube neside elilinganayo. Okay, la mangabe besiprova, ake nje ngenza umzekeliso, la u-A, B, C, D, E, F. Bese sizothi u-A, B ulingana nobani? No-DE. Sithi given. Sithi u-BC is equal to u-EF. Singeziwe given. Bese sithi u-AC ulingana nobani? No-DF given. Ngalokho umdlalo wey'ngane zaka-grade 8. Into esiprove ngayo sesingasho ukuthi sesingakhontrola, therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. I-reason side. Siprove ngama-side wodwa ukuthi lama-angles, lama-triangles anjani are-congruent to each other. Mhlambe nala sibe no-A, B, C, D, E, F. Uma uyibheka le nto le, u-AB uyalingana no-DE, u-angle A uyalingana no-angle D, konke lokhu sikunikeziwe given. Bese kuthi u-AF, side AF uyalingana no-DF. Esikesi u-AC uyalingana no-DF. Sesingaconclude sithi therefore u-triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BEF. Isizathu yisiphi? Siprove ngeside, nge-angle nangeside. Kusabhaleki laphayana kodwa kunjalo bafowethu. And side, angle is included part nendawo. So beku condition 2 lo. bese ku-condition 3. Condition 3. Condition 3 nakhona futhi nansi indaba esizoba nayo. Ngesibuke ku-common la sizoba ne-angle laphaya, sibe ne-angle laphaya, sibe ne-angle laphaya, sibe ne-angle laphaya, sibe ne-side, sibe ne-side. So lama triangle lana nathi siyabona-ke. Shuthi le angle sizosho ukuthi le angle lingana nale, sithi leli side lingana nale, sithi le angle engaphi lingana nale angle engapha. Uma ubheka siprove ngani ukuthi sesingasho therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Siprove ngani? Siprove nge-angle, saprova nge-side, sasiprova nge-angle. That is our reason. Why sithi lama triangles omabili kanjani are congruent to each other. So two triangles are congruent if two angles and one side of a triangle are equal to angles and corresponding side of the other triangle. Bese siba no condition 4. Condition 4. Simbuke condition 4 ukuthi kanjani. Ningixoleleka awasalingani kodwa nokufanele ukuthi alingane. I'm not using a ruler. So let's say lingapha, lilingana leli lingapha, leli lilingana naleli. So nalapha, two right angle triangle are congruent if the hypotenuse and the side of one of the triangle is equal to the hypotenuse and the side of the other triangle. If i-hypotenuse yangapha ilingana ne-hypotenuse yangapha and iside elilodwa langapha lilingana neside elilodwa langapha, masikhuluma ama-right angle triangle, futhi lawo ma-right angle triangle anjani? Are congruent to each other. Ngicabanga ukuthi siyayibamba-ke lapho. They are congruent to each other. Bese siza la, properties of quadrilateral. Properties of quadrilaterals. Properties of a quad sasiwaphula grade 8. Naka-grade angazi kwa-grade 1. Kodwa sasiwacula khona. La sizoba nento enje. Ngizamile nami. Ngiyi-1. This is A, D, B, C. Good. So lapha ngino-E, leli side leli lizolingana naleli, then leli lilingana naleli, leliya lilingana naleli, leli lilingana naleliya. Only if lokhu kuzokwenzeka if A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. So ama-properties we-parallelogram yiwo lawa, which opposite sides of the parallelogram are equal. Nakhona fanele sitshene ukuthi u-AD u-parallel to bani? To BC. Siphinde sitshene ukuthi u-AB is parallel to DC. So if usitsheniwe ukuthi u-AD is parallel to BC, AD is parallel to BC, and AB is parallel to DC. Lokho okulandela ngezansi kuyiqiniso ukuthi u-AD uzolingana no-BC futhi u-AB uzolingana no-DC. Opposite sides of a palm equal. Isizathu leso. Opposite sides of a palm equal. U-AE uzolingana no-EC. Nanye u-AE uzolingana no-EC. Bese kuba u-BE uzolingana nobani? U-BE ulingana no-ED. Nakho kunye we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okufanele sikwazi ukuthi opposite angles of a palm equal. Opposite angles of a palm equal. Lokho kufanele sikwazi. Bese siyasho ukuthi angle D1 ulingana no-angle B2. U-D1 ulingana no-B2. Lo ulingana naloya. Bese kuba u-D2, angle D2 is equal to angle B1. Angle lo ulingana naloya. Cabanga ukuthi niyakwazi ukuthi yini isizathu salokho. Kade sikhuluma ngedla ma-alternating angles. Ma-alternating angles kuno-Z shape lama ubhekisisa kahle. Mhlambe-ke ngisebenzise nayo indaba. Kukhona u-Z shape la. Simbonile u-Z shape? Imba simbonani nani? So endlela iyalingana nale laphaya. Nalela iyalingana nalela. Okay. Okunye ukuthi C1 uyalingana no-A2. C1 angle C1 iyalingana no-A2. Nakhona ama-alternating angles. Angle C2 uyalingana no-angle A1. Ma-alternating angles Then u-angle A uyalingana no-angle C, u-angle B uyalingana no-angle D. Opposite angles of a palm are equal. That is a parallelogram. Le i-parallelogram le esikhuluma ngayo. Fanele siwazi ama-properties of a parallelogram. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Alternating angles of a parallelogram are equal. Then opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Zonke lezi zinto lezo kufanele siyikhumbule. Mhlambe sidonseni futhi ngamabomu nje ake sidonse i-rhombus. I-rectangle sizoyishiya nje kanje i-rectangle. Cishe ifane ne-parallelogram. Ake sidonse nje i-rhombus. A, B, D, C. Lana sino-angle E, angle E, sino-1 laphaya. Then lo nalo bayalingana. Lo nalo bayalingana. Okay, la fanele sitshene-ke la ukuthi if A, B, C, D is a rhombus. A rhombus, you may assume the following. Fanele wazi ukuthi okulandelayo kuyiqiniso. Fanele wazi ukuthi u-AD is parallel to BC and AB is parallel to DC. So low parallel to lower, lower parallel to low. Fanele wazi ukuthi opposite sides of a rhombus are equal. I mean all the sides. All the sides of a rhombus are equal. So side AD is equal to side BC is equal to side AB is equal to side DC. Wonke ama-side we-rhombus ayalingana. Siyezwana? Bese kuba u-AE. U-AE uyalingana nobani? No-EC. Bese kuthi u-BE uyalingana nobani? No-ED. Lapho. Lona lo bayalingana, lona lo bayalingana. Uma ngabe kuyi-rhombus, utsheliwe ukuthi i-rhombus. Fanele ukwazi ama-properties wani? E-rhombus. Nakho okunye kufanele ukwazi angle D1, D1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Angle D1 uzolingana no-angle D2. Futhi loya layini kwi-rhombus uyinqamula phakathi nendawo. But angle D1 is equal to angle D2 is equal to angle B1 is equal to angle B2. Lokhu kufanele ukwazi nge-rhombus. Le angle le ilingana nale, ilingana nale, ilingana nale. Bese sithi angle A1 is equal to angle A2 is equal to angle C1 is equal to angle C2. Uyayibona? Then angle A is equal to angle C. Yonke leya angle leya ilingana nale angle leya. Opposite angles of a rhombus. Angle B uyalingana no-angle D. Lokho kufanele sikwazi. Okunye futhi okufanele sikwazi nge-rhombus u-E1, angle E1 is equal to 90 degrees. Lokho kusho ukuthini? Kusho ukuthi u-AC is perpendicular to bani? To BD. Loya line loya perpendicular to AC. BD is perpendicular to AC, or AC is perpendicular to BD. Mhlambe sivale singaqali sivale siye kwi-trapezium bese siza kwi-kite. Trapezium this is A, B, and A, B, C, D. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So if you are told that A, B, C, D is a trapezium, you may assume the following. If utsheniwe ukuthi le trapezium nakho kufanele ukwazi ukuthi AD parallel to BC. Kufanele ukwazi lokho. Kufanele ukwazi ukuthi angle A2 uyalingana no-angle C2. Leya angle iyalingana le angle. Because la ama-lines are parallel. Khumbula phela Z-shape corresponding angles. Izathu kuzoba yilezi. Bese kuthi angle B1 is equal to angle B2. B1 is equal to angle B2. Nakhona futhi Z-shape or alternating, not corresponding. Alternating angles are equal. Number sikhulume indaba ye-kite. Ngizamile ngiyi-one. Ngiyidwebe kahle. Ah. Ngonyanda. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Okay. If A, B, C, D is a kite, you may assume the following. If we are told that this is a kite, this is 1, 2, nakho kufanele ukwazi ukuthi u-AB uyalingana no-AD. Fanele ukwazi lokho. Bese ekhanda lakho. Ma-properties e-kite. BC uyalingana no-DC. Properties of a kite. BE uyalingana no-ED. Angle A1 uyalingana no-angle A2. Angle C1 uyalingana no-angle C2. Angle B uyalingana no-angle D. U-angle E2 uzolingana no-angle no-90 degrees. Therefore, shuthi AC is perpendicular to BD. Ilokho kufanele ukwazi nge-kite.